and Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Ahmad Adil Fikri bin Ahmad Islam and I am engineering student from UiTM Dengil. I am from group E15. Today I made this video to share with you how to mastering your money by using monthly budget tracking. I made this video to share with you guys how to create a monthly budget tracking by using Microsoft Excel. Let's go guys! First, we need to remove the grid line. Go to View tab, uncheck the grid line option in the Show Groups. After that, to make our spreadsheet look more interesting, we can change a background color. Select the cell or range of cell for which you want to change the background color and choose the background color you want. We need to do, go to the Insert tab, select the shape option, choose the shape that suits your preference by clicking on it. Now, adjust the dimension of the shape. Head to the upper right corner of the screen. You will find head and width setting. Click on the shape you just created. From the context menu, go to Format Shape. This will open up a new menu in the right side. Within the Format Shape menu, navigate to the Fill option. Choose a gradient fill to give your shape a more visually appealing look. Now let's customize the color. You can do this adjusting the gradient stop and selecting color that match your preference. Feel free to get creative and choose a color that represents the theme or purpose of your monthly budget. After you format the shape, let's add some text to declare the month. Click inside the shape, type the name of the month and position it accordingly. Let's move to the bottom left of the screen. You will find a plus sign. Click on this button to add new sheet to your Excel workbook. Focus guys, this is the most important thing we need to understand. Name our income tracking. Let's create a cell that represents both income source and their amounts. Type income in the first column and amount in the second column. List up your income source in the income column and their respective amount in the amount column. For example, you might have entries like job salary, side hustle, and e-commerce. After done, list up all data. We calculate the total amount by using the formula equals sum, open bracket, and select all the cells containing your income amounts. Don't forget to end up the formula with close bracket. Select all income amount data. Go to the Home tab. Under the category list, select currency. In the symbol drop-down menu, find and choose Ringgit Malaysia. Click OK to apply the currency format. With our income data is ready, let's make it more organized. Select all the data including the headers and the amounts. Now, go to Insert tab and choose Table. Confirm the range and ensure the Create Table with Headers option is selected and click OK. In this table, I change the row color of total amount to make it easy to see. Let's head back to sheet 1. Navigate to the Insert tab and choose Shape. Select the rectangular shape. Click and drag to draw the shape on your worksheet. On place, right click on the shape and choose Format Shape. Customize the color to your liking in the Fill option. Now, go to the Insert tab and you will see a table group. Choose a 2D column to create a column chart. A white box will be appear. Right click on this white box. From the context menu, click Select Data. A data source box will be appear. Now, go back to sheet 2 where our income and amount data is located. Highlight the relevant cell containing income and amount and click OK. Now, carefully position the graph inside the rectangular shape. Resize the graph and rectangular shape we created earlier to make it fit to combine together. Click on the chart and chart tools will be appear. You can experiment with different styles by clicking on the chart style option and choosing that one that fits your preference. Still in the chart tools tab, click on the chart element, tick or untick the element do you want to appear in the graph based on your preference. To make it clean, nice to look, you can resize the graph and the shape to make it more organized. To achieve a modern look, you can choose no fill color for our graph. This will make our chart will be transparent. And last, don't forget to give your chart a title. Now, let's create a new table for tracking monthly expenses. Follow the same step we used for the income table. Within the new table, I add 3 columns. Within the new table, I add 3 columns. First was a bill to list up all our spending categories. Second, budget to enter the planned amount for each expenses. And last, actual to record the actual amount we was spent. To calculate the total amount, we will use a formula that we just learned in the first table, that is equal sum, and choose a data range. After done, repeat the same step like the first data table we create, change the currency of amount, and create the table. For this bill data, I want to create a pie chart. In this pie chart, I choose the bill column and actual amount column because in this chart, I just want to organize how many actual spending amount in this month. Cut the pie chart to the sheet 1. Repeat the same step like the first one. Organize the chart and exploring the chart tool. Experiment with a different style, color and layout and choose based on your own preference. We don't want the total amount section in this pie chart, so let's modify the formula to exclude the total amount section. You can see the total amount was declared as B22, so I modified to B21. And yes, the pie chart will be updated and the data of the total amount will be removed from the pie chart. Next, I want to make for expenses monthly table data. Since the process for creating this table is similar to what we have done previously, the one step for creating this table is totally same from previous part. Before we proceed, let's copy and paste the shape we create earlier for this graph. You just need follow the familiar step to organize and combine the graph with the shape. You just need mastery how to create the table from previous part from beginning until done, so it's easy to make it. Feel free to refer back to the previous step for more detailed instruction. For this data table, I choose column data because I want to compare how many actual and budget amount that I have. Right now, I want to make for saving monthly table data. For this data table, it's same with the previous part and you can refer back if you forget how to do. For this data table, I choose step bar because I can compare how much percentage value for actual and budget amount. Organize and customizing chart by referring your preference. Now we want to make a data table for total up all the actual and budget in the month. So in the data table, we need to declare one by one the data from all spending table we just made. For matching the data, we can use equal and click at the related data. It will automatically mention the coordinate of the related data that we have done click. Now by using the formula equal sum, we calculate the total of actual and budget. And I create the chart for this data table is using a step column because I can compare how many percentage that actual and budget. Now for total net income we get, we can use equal and click on the related data on the sheet 2. You can see in the formula bar, it is mentioned in the sheet 1, but our data is in sheet 2. We change the formula and modify it. You can see in the cell like not have a data because it look like invisible. So we can change the color, change the fonts, and don't forget to add on the currency. The last information needed in our monthly budget is the available balance. Go ahead to sheet 2 and now we need to create a data for available balance. To calculate it, we can use formula equals sum and click first for total income we get in the month. add a minus sign and click on actual spending in the table we just created. Repeat the minus sign and click on the actual amount on all table left over. Same from previous total net amount we just made, we can mention the available balance using equal and click on the sheet 2, a data available balance we just created previously. That's all from me. Let's enjoy see me decorate my monthly budget data. Bye bye!